Craving something rich, chocolatey, and oh so indulgent, but don't want to bake an entire batch of brownies? This peanut butter brownie mug cake is your answer. It's fudgy, warm, and ready in just a minute, with gooey pockets of peanut butter that make every bite irresistible. Let's get started. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 3 tablespoons of flour. This forms the base of your brownie. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for that deep chocolate flavor, 1 tablespoon of sugar to sweeten, and 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, just a pinch of salt to balance everything out. Give it a quick stir so the dry ingredients are evenly mixed. Now it's time for the wet ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of milk, add 1 tablespoon of creamy peanut butter, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Stir it all together until smooth and glossy. Add 1 more tablespoon of milk to adjust the consistency. The batter should be smooth and slightly thick, just like brownie batter. Fold in a few chocolate chips into the batter. They'll melt as it cooks. Pop it into the microwave and cook on high for about 1 minute. Let it cool for a minute so the texture sets. Add a dollop of whipped cream, drizzle a little chocolate sauce over the top, and finish with a light sprinkle of cinnamon powder. It's warm, creamy, and absolutely decadent. And there you go. Your peanut butter brownie mug cake is ready to enjoy. A quick, indulgent dessert that combines rich chocolate with nutty, melty peanut butter in every bite. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.